The road to success. I shouldn't have put off my English studies for so long. For a while, I thought I would never be able to speak fluently. But then I realized that the earlier I committed to it, the easier the process would become. Yesterday, the weather was terrible, and my outdoor study group was called off. Despite the change of plans, I didn't give up. I stayed home and focused on the most difficult topics. I used to beat around the bush when people asked me about my progress. But now I can cut to the chase and say that I am truly improving. If I continue to study this hard, I am sure I will breeze through my next exam. There is no use crying over spilled milk regarding the time I lost in the past. What matters is that I am on the right track now. My goal is to get a high score and finally feel confident.
Like and subscribe to the channel.